Starting out with some tape to carve the eyeshadows, and I'm going to be grabbing this Maybelline in number 20 just to clean up my eyelids, and I'm blending that. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Wet n Wild Coming in Latte. Such a really pretty colors in here, really perfect for fall and for any occasion. And then I'm grabbing that darker shade, applying it as a bead on my outer side of the eye. And then for my lid, I'm applying that concealer again, and then I'm blending that. I'm applying the lightest shade in the palette right here. It doesn't have any shimmer or anything, which I love. And I love doing this with a black eyeshadow, just a big old wing, and blending that. And look, when you take the tape off, ooh, so good, girl. I'm applying some mascara, from Panorama. It is so freaking good. That mascara is so good. For my lashes are the Ardell lashes in Light As Air, and the foundation is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. It is so freaking good. And of course, again, that concealer by Maybelline in number 20. I am taking this Wet n Wild Bare Focus Clarifying Powder. It is so freaking good. Like, this thing is so good and it's so affordable. I'm using the translucent kind. Now for this blush, girl, the NYX Summer Blush. Oh my god, it is so pretty and it's so pigmented. So be careful, but that's why after this, I go in with my foundation brush and blend everything. You know, that's my little tip. Every time, go in with your foundation brush and blend everything. And for my bronzer, I love this What Shady Beaches by Wet n Wild. And then to set everything and bake, I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Fix in Banana. For my lips, girl, this combo's so good. This little lip liner is from Be Bella Cosmetics. I don't even know the name, girl, but it's a brown one. And then this gloss from L'Oreal in Blissful Blush. Oh my god, it's so freaking gorgeous. It's so pretty. I love this blush by itself. I am removing that baking powder, just applying it all over my skin. And then using this Pixie spray, the milky one. Oh my god, I love it. And as you can see, look at that. I go again with my brush just to make it look nice and airbrush and so natural. Everything to sink into my skin. And there you guys have this sultry makeup look. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys having a good day, whatever day you guys are watching this. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and follow me on TikTok. Bye-bye.
Trust in me. I can't, you said I can't trust in you.